Okay, Andy is working with Elbert, and what will this do, Andy?
Oh, see, I don't even have to untie it, and he's reaching up there. Go. Oh, move his arms, alternating motions, alternating patterns. Not just over your head, up and down, up and down. Yeah, that's it. Let me get it a little bit tighter though. Make it more productive for you.
He probably does know how to use them. That's true.
We're gonna move your chair a little bit.
What, Elbert?
Faster, 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 faster. Get that one all the way down. Get it all the way down. That's it. Faster, 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 faster.
Way to go, Elbert.
Faster, 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 faster. Pull it down. Pull it down. Push that one up. Faster. Go, go, go. Faster.
Do we need cheerleaders with pom-poms? Yeah,
He says that'd be nice.
that would be nice. A little entertainment.
Down. Now this one. Push down and up. There you go. Down. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. You do it. 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 Show me. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Don't get stuck. Don't get
Oh,
stuck.
please don't get stuck.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Go. Faster, faster, faster.
Oh, good,
That's
Elbert.
it. That's it. You do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Left one down. There you go. Good. Very
All the
good.
way. All the way. Good. That's getting easier. That's it. That's it. That's it. You do it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Rocking and rolling.
That's Elbert, rocking and rolling.
Okay, it's all yours. I'm not doing exercise for a reason. You may have this back. Justin and Dylan would say to Mason, that's because he's special. Mason gets to
I
special,
see.
special classes in the summertime.
That was good, Elbert. I saw that. I saw that.